Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. In this video we're going to tell you how to install our field assembly fast connector, aka fast connectors. So first of all, I'm going to introduce you the fast connector packing. So in our fast connector packing, you can see all the packing or the individual packing. Okay, same as this. So besides of this, you will get the cleaning tissues every 50 pieces and also the length fixture every 50 pieces. And then we're going to tell you how to install it. Besides of that, I'm going to say you may need several tools. So the several tools will be cleaning tissues, alcohol dispenser, pump cleaner. If you want, tell us. So these two, this one and this one are stripper, and this one is fabric cleaver. So as an expert, you must know of this. So first of all, we need to strip the drop cables. This is a 2x3 drop cables. Okay. Yep, you hear the click that it is down. Okay, then we use this yellow one to strip the coating material. The cable is kind of fragile, so we take it easy and do it slowly. Okay. Yep, we threw this coating things into the dustbin. Yeah, you may need to strip twice, so do it slowly. Okay, careful. Okay, yep, then you can use the alcohol dispenser to clean things. Yep. Yep, you hear the thing. Then we use this. Yeah, you can find these accessories just inside of this fast connectors. Okay. Then load it. Okay. Protect it. The reason for this kind of tools accessory is to help you to locate the fiber in the length fixture. Okay, for a length fixture, you can see by this you will understand, you will know it clearly how to put how and where to put your fiber cable, the drop cables. Yeah, by this you can see, oh, I can understand how to put and where to put. Then this is the fabric cleaver. You know it. You must know it because you're an expert. Okay, press it. Yeah, throw it here. It is down. Then this is to install the faster connectors. For our faster connectors, it has some, you can see the extraordinary parts or the superior part. So as you can see, for the faster connectors, they all have the V groove. For the V groove, you can see there's a white thing inside of our faster connectors. This is ceramic. For the most kind of supplier, they are using the plastic material. But for us, we're using ceramic. For the plastic material, it has one characteristics. It means it may get cold. It will get shrink when it's cold. It will get extension when it's hot. So in these cases, that plastic V-groove fast connector may be not stable. But for ceramic, it will be much better. So then we'll do install and show you. Okay, so this is to open, this is to lose the V groove, and also to tighten the V groove. For as per our design, the V groove position has two positions. The V groove has two positions. One is downside, the other is upside. So right now it is downside. For downside, it means loose. For upside, it means tight. You see, it is tight. Then we'll lose it. Okay, lose it. So lose it, then we insert the fiber into the fastener connector, which means to the V-groove. So let's do it slowly. Yeah, if it is not slowly, we'll get broken. Yeah, it is user do. Yeah, if you see it clearly, you will see the fiber is a little bent here. The fiber is a little bent. I'm not sure if it can be seen clearly through the camera, but it is a little bent here. Then after you saw the fiber is a little bent, is bending a little. Then it is down. Then close the shell. Use these things to tight the V-groove. Yeah, to tie the V-groove to make it working well. So, but these cases, the fast connector is done very well. So as you may also noticed, I have one benchtop devices here. This is to show you what I just done and what's the performance of these fast connectors. So lock it. So right now I need to set the references. Okay. So the reference is set. Take it out. Yep, connect it. Make sure everything is fine. Then connect it to see the insertion loss value. Is 0.3. There's 0.2. There's 0.3. So it is fair enough. So that's all. Thank you.